Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and today I'm going to show you the easy way to convert a Google Docs document to a Microsoft Word document using the Google Docs mobile app for iOS, and that could be for an iPhone or an iPad, and this is how to do it. So here we have my Google Docs account. You can see I have a whole bunch of different files in here, Google Docs files, letters and whatnot that I've created. I want to take this Library of Congress letter that's in Google Docs and turn it into a Microsoft Word document. And the easy way to do it is just to tap the three dots that are right next to the title of the file in Google Docs. So I'm going to tap that, and then it will show you this little pop-up menu with different options. You can add people, copy a link, whatnot. The one that I want is save as word.docx. There's a little W next to it. So tap that. A little dialog will pop up. It's saving it as Word. Then it will create it, and then it will open it. Now, this is Office compatibility mode in Google Docs. This is not Microsoft Word. But actually, if I want to, I can do some simple edits here. So let's say that I want to change the date. I can just tap where it says May 7th, delete May 7th, and then type, December 7th, 2018. Okay? When you're done with that, tap the check mark in the upper left corner, and that will save it. And just to make sure that you're working with the Word document and not the Google Docs document, tap the three dots in the upper right corner, and it will say Office compatibility mode. This file is in Word format. For more tips on how to get the most out of Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Slides, check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It's available from in30minutes.com, and thank you so much for watching.